Junior with DLT transmission. We just finished the tear down on the 62 TE. What we're fixing to do is start the wash process. This is how it looks before it goes in the washer. In just a minute, we'll be back on how it's gonna look before we start building. It's been a while now. I went on a little lunch break. Now it's time to get the transmission 62 TE out of the wash machine and get ready for dress up, get ready for assembly. Woo, hot. First thing we do, blow it off. Now while we do that, what we're gonna do is take the differential cover, throw it in the wash machine while we dress this up. I'm gonna show you what I mean in a little bit. We'll be back. Moving through the process. So what we're gonna do is start off is get all this excess material all out the way, all this little silicone. That way when you go back, the silicone sits and the cover sit, everything's evened out. You don't have any problems with it. Differential drop in for 62 TE. We're doing the transmission dress up right now, getting ready for the build. Whoa. And there she goes. That's all she wrote. Check me out. All right, let me get the cover for it off the washer. All right, and the side cover out the wash machine for 62 TE for differential. And after this, so the silicone sticks and everything seals right, what we do is buff it out, clean it up, make sure everything's gonna, stick. Notice how I'm not pushing down at all. I'm just hitting it very lightly. I really use the scraper to take most of the silicone off before I even hit it with the buffer. So that way I don't have to damage the aluminum casing because it is very thin and it can get warped. Silicone on the thing, boy. This is how we do it. Steady out. This one goes like. I like doing that so I don't scar this when I'm trying to take it out. Make sure it's not gonna leak. Sit it down, just like this. Alright, Junior with DLT transmission. We just finished doing the dress up on the 62 TE. We'll be back when we start the build. We'll be back with y'all shortly.